1-1. What's your take on the game? One goal considered, the first goal considered in the game this season so far. What's your take on this game? You try to raise your voice.
From my side, we didn't open today match with some playing like we never did before from our defending line, and some marking like we never did before, and they score very easy goal. Usually before, all the time we block it, and all the time we prevent opponent players to come into our 16-meter, or when they have to cross ball, all the time it was under the block. Okay, they scored a goal, we come back to the game, and we had our chances in first half, also in second half, 2-3 very good opportunity, and at the end it was 1-1. Good for us because we continue to play without losing, but in the other hand, of course, we lost 2 points, but we have to look forward and prepare ourselves for next match.
It's a setback coming to a couple of days before the derby. What does that mean?
First of all, of course, that's derby in front of us. But my biggest worries and biggest task is to recover my players, because, as you know, that they play before 3 days, just 2 days in between the games. Now, second one again, and we have to see who is the most powerful to go out and play that game.
Coach, it was the first test, it was the first big game for APR this season in Rwanda Premier League. Can we say that your players didn't respond, or you failed the test?
Depends how you see. As I said, in my head, I'm satisfied how they respond in some part of the game. In another hand, of course, we miss a lot of simple passes. For example, like now in last few minutes when we miss simple pass, we never did it before. And I can say that it's happened because, of course, that they are tired, and they can. No one team in the world can play matches in 2 days, because that. I can give explanation about my players in that way, but and also I don't think that it's respond about big teams or big name or big matches. We play a lot of big matches and they respond very good. Just depend about moment in where we are in this moment.
What was the idea of playing Johnson as a false nine? You have been using Sen, and today you said to put Johnson. What was the idea?
We have to find out how to solve that problem, because we have not a lot of solutions. Last match we did with Arsen. This match like Johnson, he played some matches before in Nigeria in that position, and not natural position as a winger, but we have to solve it because we have not solution on the bench. Because when Mamadou is not in good shape and he cannot follow all matches 19 minutes, his power can be say 60 to 70 minutes, sometimes less, because matches are in the row. And of course that I have to rest some players and have to check on other players, that we see what we have, because we have to pass this period in December and to pass these matches in way how we know.
So you have the derby game on Saturday. It's a very meaningful game for all fans, APL and William Sports fans. How are you going to approach the game? How are you going to prepare?
This is so early to speak about that, how we approach the game. This is between me and my changing room, and of course that my players will give their best, but we will discuss about strategy or other things about tactics. But as I said, they will sure give their best, and they sure will be out trying to win and show their quality.
Is there a chance to get some missing players like Dauta, Lamte?
Also is so early to speak about it.
But coach, depending on how you portray it, do you think you deserve that draw
today? Do you think that we don't deserve draw?
Do you think we deserve that draw?
I don't want to answer. No comment. You see match, I see match. How many chances we lost? We lost penalty. Who deserve draw?
So the message to the fans ahead of the derby.
No, as I said in the previous question, that sure players will be ready and give best. As you know that this match they will play for sure with high emotion and high confidence. At the end, of course, we have 11 against 11, and we will see. This is football.
Coach, sometimes you need to score more goals to win big games. Is it not concerning that the players are not maybe creating enough chances, scoring enough goals? One goal, I don't think. Sometimes you need more to win big games. For instance, on Saturday.
If you saw all our matches in the past, you can count our chances, and just what we miss is goals. All matches we have to score between 4 to 5, 6 or 7 goals. Even today you had Mamadou alone in 5 meters, he missed the ball. You have penalty, you have Olivier alone in front of goalkeeper, and they miss chances. And what to do? Of course that we have to score, they have to score, and when they are in front of goalkeeper, just is most important to put it ball in the net. Okay, thank you.